This is the Tango T600. It's an ultra-narrow car that has surprised many by outperforming multiple supercars. This might seem like an impossible thing to do, but the T600's unique design and technology have made it a contender in the world of supercars. To understand how the T600 became faster than a Lamborghini, Ferrari and many other supercars, we need to take a closer look at its design and technology. The T600 was created by a company called Commuter Cars, which specializes in designing and manufacturing electric vehicles. The T600 is a small two-seater car, if you can even call it that, but this car is only 3 feet wide and 8 feet long. Its compact size and lightweight design makes it extremely maneuverable, which is a huge advantage in any race. The Tango T600 is powered by 2 electric motors that produces a total of 800 horsepower. This is already more horsepower than an Aventador or a Huracan. Horsepower isn't the only thing making a fast car. However, the T600 has a significant advantage when it comes to acceleration. Its electric motor provides instant torque, which means it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.2 seconds. This is faster than the Ferrari 488 GTB and faster than any rear-wheel drive Huracans. Now, another advantage of the T600 is aerodynamic design, believe it or not. This car has a teardrop shape that reduces drag and improves its overall performance. As you can see, the car kind of narrows up into the top and into the back, giving it a boost in acceleration. On the other hand, supercar manufacturers like Lamborghini and Ferrari has a more traditional design that is optimized for top speed rather than acceleration. But the T600's most significant advantage actually comes from its weight. The car only weighs around 3,000 pounds, which is significantly less than all of the other supercars that weigh anything in between 3.5 to 4,000 pounds. This means that the T600 has a better power to weight ratio, which is a critical factor in a race. To prove its performance, the T600 has been pitted against some of the most famous supercars in the world, including the Lamborghini Murcielago, the Ferrari F430, and in a race that was featured on the popular TV show Top Gear, the T600 was able to beat both the Lamborghini and the Ferrari in a drag race. However, when it comes to normal racing, I don't really know how well this car would do. Personally, I think that it would fall over in the first corner, however the statistics says something else. But you can also see that this car is made for acceleration and not top speed, as the T600 is only capable of reaching a top speed of 150 miles per hour. Meanwhile, all of the other supercars are able to reach top speeds of way over 200 miles per hour. So in conclusion, the T600 has become faster than many supercars due to its unique design and technology, and also the focus on the acceleration. Its lightweight and aerodynamic design, instant torque and excellent power to weight ratio have made it a serious contender in the world of supercars, even though it's not even a supercar. So while the T600 might not be as well known as Lamborghini or Ferrari, it has proven that electric cars can be just as fast and exciting as gasoline-powered counterparts. However, the only thing missing is that sweet sound.